beautiful people. How are you all doing? Hope everybody's doing great. Today is the last day of the month, March 31st, Monday morning. First, I would like to thanks everyone for watching my previous videos, support my video, and thank you for all your comments. Helping Owa? Ha? Okay, this morning I had my grandson and I'm doing laundry, so he's helping me to put it on the dryer. Oh, it smells good? You smelling it.
With that.
Okay. Oh, there's some more. Here. Inaamoy muna niya bago guys, while I'm watching my grandson, I'm doing my laundry. So first, my granddaughter's laundry. I guess she did it this morning before she went to school, but she didn't finish it. I mean, it's already done washing, but I put in the dryer. So now I have to wash my clothes because four more days, guys. Where I'm going to a trip with all my friends. So mag-ano kami, guys. We have 8 days cruise. So try to wash all the clothes. And probably I'm gonna wash more before I leave, because today is Monday. We're leaving Saturday morning. It's nice outside, guys, but the only thing is yung pollen. Marami ng pollen. So bahing ka na ng bahing. So I don't know if me and my grandson gonna go out later outside or we're gonna go walking. We'll see. Here in the house, between me, my daughter and my granddaughter, we do our own laundry. Kanya-kanya kami laba, guys. So ang ginagawa ko, I'll do my laundry every week, every Monday. My granddaughter, I think she do her laundry every Sunday. Then my daughter, when she get off at work, that's what she's doing, her laundry. So yan ang buhay namin tatlo dito, guys. Then pagdating din, guys, sa food, sa cooking, the same thing. We cook our own food, because if I cook my own food, Filipino food, sometimes you don't want to eat it, hindi nila kakainin. So my granddaughter, she cook her own food, or either that or her mom cook food for her, both of them. And my daughter, if she wants to eat something, she cook her own food. Coffee tayo, guys. So this is one of my collection, guys, here for my thrifting way back. I remember all I remember, guys, I think it's like more than 5 years already when I bought all this all the collection, the teacup. So ayan, dalawang to sa, guys, dalawang set. Dalawang set, yung dalawang ganito, isang ganito pa, at saka ito. So, ayan. Maganda siya, guys. Yan. So, instead na nakatago lang sa dyan, guys, gagamitin ko na. Kasi yung meron akong teacup set na 4 na piraso. Kasama ng with sauce, platito. Yung apo ko nanonood, gumagawa ng ingay. Sa Pilipinas na, guys, nandoon. Kasi some of my, staff is in the Philippines already. So, ayan. Okay guys, I finished watching my grandson. My daughter picked him up already and just then take a shower. So I'm gonna get ready to eat my leftover food for dinner. So this is our dinner for tonight. Chicken breast and asparagus. This is my leftover, guys. I cooked this the other day. And maybe, I don't know, maybe some little bit rice because we got some rice cooked also. Okay guys, I think masarap pag may hot sauce. So, minsan nag-crave ako guys ng hot sauce. So, ulitin natin. Tapos isaw-saw natin yung yung chicken. Ayan guys. So, with hot sauce. Sarap, sarap. Hindi man talaga sa guys, manghang. Asparagus. Good morning guys. This is the next day. I'm taking my granddaughter to school. Okay guys, I'm back from school, dropping off my granddaughter. So, nandito na rin yung apo ko, dumating din. Kasi maaga, 7:30. Hinatid dito ng anak ko. So anyway, magluluto tayo ng breakfast. Cooking eggs with tomatoes, spinach, and green onions. And probably 1 piece of toast. Guys, let's eat. My breakfast is done. Bon appetit. And also we had our tea. Is green tea with roasted rice. Okay guys, this is one of my collection. I didn't buy this in a thrift store. My friend, my co-workers way back, she gave this to me when I had a tea party in our place. This is like more than 5 years ago, maybe almost 6 years. So this is it. Yeah. And guys, kung naririnig yung apo ko, nandito na naman. So Tuesday ngayon, April 1st. Bali, Monday, Tuesday, and then one more tomorrow. Ang bibisit sa kanya. Let's eat. At saka kumakain rin siya. Nakikita ko naman siya guys kung saan ako. Ayan, kumakain siya. Ng breakfast din niya. Nilutuan ko rin siya. So, ayan. Habang nanonood siya ng yung yung favorito niya ngayon na naman na bagong palabas, yung Mario. Guys, my grandson just left. Yun, na sila. Pinikap na siya ng anak ko. So, nandito na rin yung isa kong apo. So, nandoon sa ibaba, kumakain siya. So, anyway, nandito na ako sa room. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung kasi nag-impake na ako ng dadalhin ko sa trip namin. Na lang pala, guys, 3 days na lang. Kasi today is Tuesday, April 1st. So, Saturday morning kami aalis. So, ito guys yung ano, ang ipapakita ko. Itong nabili ko guys sa ano, sa RAS, yung mga nakaraan kong vlog na yun ahol ko. So, nung panglagyan ko guys ng ano, ng lotion at saka shampoo, conditioner. So, ito na siya guys. Ayan. So, may ano na siya, nilagyan ko na siya ng label. Ayan guys, may mga label na. Buksan natin. So, may mga ano na to guys, may mga laman na to sa loob. Tulad yung may lotion, may ano na to guys, may ano na to guys, may lotion na to guys sa loob. So, ayan, nilagyan ko na ng label. Ayan. So, din katulad ng ano rin ang atin shampoo at saka conditioner. Ayan guys. Naka-label na. So, then, bali ang ano, ang isa dito, wala siya guys label. Ano siyang nilagay ko dito? Body wash. Body wash ang ano dito. Kasi wala akong ano guys na ano label kasi ang ito ipapakita ko guys ang ano kasi ang nakalagay lang dito na ano label is ito guys ano natin papakita ko sa inyo. So yan siya guys. Yan kung nakikita nyo. Yan. So yung mga ito di ko naman to kailangan itong ano, yung hand cream, kasi meron na rin ako ng lotion. Yung face cream ko, naka-ano na rin guys, ito naman ang ginagamit ko, ito, yung Olay, yan. So, dadalhin ko na lang siya ng ganito. Yan. Tapos, yung mouthwash, meron na rin ako, yung pang-travel. So, hindi ko na to kailangan tong isang level. Ang importante lang guys is yung shampoo, lotion, at saka yung ano, yung conditioner. Yan. At saka yung body wash. So, yun ang kailangan. And, ito guys, Ate Linda gave this to me for my birthday. So, I'm gonna use this for my, everything. Personal item. Yung mga makeup or lotion. Yung mga extrang gagamitin natin. So, ipakita ko guys yung katulad ng mga ito. So guys, ito. Kasi ano siya guys, yung, ayan, haba. So, nandito na lahat. Marami guys pang lagyan. So, ayan. Ito. Kaya dito maglagay. Naglagay ako dito ng hairpin. Tapos, ayan guys, nilagay ko na dyan ang atin mga ano, yung, ayan, may extra, nagdala ko ng extrang toothbrush, Q-tips. Tapos yung, ano yan, yung face, ano ba guys, yung pang makeup remover. So, yun guys, ang mga ano. Tapos, hindi ko pa guys lahat na ilagay dito. And then, marami, ano, there's a lot of pockets. See? So, I put my stuff over here. Like, this one that I'm gonna use it or okay, like this guys. Dito ko nilagay yung mga ano ko, mga jewelry na gagamitin ko, yung mga fashion. Mga fashion lang ito guys. Yan. So, diyan ko rin ilagay. So I think maybe Friday night, that's gonna be my mag-final impake ako. Kasi, then, yung mga ano ko, yung katulad ng mga gagamitin ko sa ano ko, yun. Saka na lang yan guys, mga makeup ko. Yan, itong makeup ito ko. Ito, kasya yan dito guys, kapasok ko dito sa loob. Yan. So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, pinapakita ko lang guys ang ano. So, yan. Tapos, I don't know if I'm gonna bring this hat. Because we're going to the island. So, I don't know, maybe we'll see if I'm gonna bring it. Then, meron tayong... So, I'm just gonna bring one luggage. And, ito guys, mga Bago ito, this is new from Clinique. One of my cousin in New Jersey, she give this to me Christmas, for Christmas. Yan. So, may make sure ko guys na isama-sama ko lahat dito. Aalisin ko yan sila, aalisin ko yung mga iba ko ditong ano guys, tapos ilalagay ko doon sa ano. So yan, then I bring some extra, I'm gonna bring the extra bag that my friend give it to us last time when she went cruise to Bahamas. So, binili kami niya ng mga ganitong bag. So, ang sa akin gagamitin ko para bali ito ang pinaka-hand carry ko na bag dadalhin. Guys, ang aking mga na-impake na, yan. Nakaano na lahat. Ayan, guys, ito. So, ayan na siya lahat, guys. So, kinupiran ko. Magdadala pa rin ako, guys, ng sweater dahil you never know, baka malamig sa barko. Okay, guys. I guess that's it for today. I'm gonna end this vlog. And if you enjoy watching this video, give me a thumbs up. And yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe. It really helps this channel. Okay, so you all have a wonderful day. God bless us all. And see you later. Bye. And by the way, guys, probably my next video upload. I don't know if I can upload during our cruise. Hindi ko alam guys kung ang signal, and I don't know if I'm gonna bring my laptop. So probably I'm just gonna film, and when I come back, that's what I'm gonna probably edit everything and upload it.